Okay guys, let's take a crack at something just a little bit different. This is a Burg Wächter Castle Watcher, and the model is Boccia, and I guess model number would be 450-50. It's a German padlock, and it is a dimple lock. Let me get this secured in here, and I'll talk a little bit more about the key. It's a little bit unique. Make sure that's not going to go anywhere. As I said, a dimple lock, but this key it's a little bit strange. We have 6 pins on one side, and then when we flip it over there are 5 on the other side, and then it can go in either way. So I guess in effect looking at one side of the key should give you an idea of what it is we're dealing with. All of the pins are active. It does work. Get the key out, lock it back up. There we go. And let's see if we can open this thing up. I have raked this before one time, and I haven't been able to do it since. So since we made these new picks, I thought this would be a great opportunity to try to use them and prove their worth. Okay, so I'm checking the bottom first. I think you can see that. Let me get that centered. There we go. Now I'm going to go back and check the top row. And I'm just riding that rail. These things are wide enough you could drive a truck inside of this keyway, but with this many pins, you got to have something in your favor. I'm just riding that rail looking for the pins, and then when I find them I just roll right over the top and see if that's the binding one or not. Okay, go back to the bottom. And there we go. Okay, 11-pin Burg Wächter Boccia, model 450-50. That went much more quickly than I would have anticipated. Anyway, thanks for your time. Stay safe and stay legal.